Good morning, students. Today we will continue the theme disasters, causes, and their consequences. Now, before beginning our lesson, let's introduce with new words. Listen and repeat.
Avalanche. Avalanche.
Dam. Dam. Emergency team. Emergency team.
Environmental disaster. Environmental disaster. Evacuate. Evacuate. Factory explosion. Factory explosion. Flood. Flood. Freak storm. Freak storm.
Landslide. Landslide.
Mudslide. Mudslide.
Plane crash. Plane crash. Rail accident. Rail accident.
Burst its banks. River burst its banks. Burst its banks. River burst its banks.
Road accident. Road accident. Severe storm. Severe storm. Tsunami. Tsunami. War. War.
Now, students, copy out all these new words on your vocabulary copybook. Now, students, let's do some exercises. Exercise 1A. Look at these pictures. Listen. At first listen, then say the types of disasters. Which disasters are natural? Which are influenced by man? Okay? Now listen.
Rail accident, landslide, flood, factory explosion, road accident, plane crash, severe storm, freak storm, environmental disaster, tsunami, earthquake, war, avalanche.
Now let's find which are natural, qaysi табиғи, which are influenced by man. Qaysi адамдардың ықпалынан болады. I give you 3 minutes for doing this task. The next task, exercise 1B. Which accident, disaster best match each of the headlines? Мына апаттардың қайсысы мына тақырыптардың әрқайсысына сәйкес келеді. Let's do. The next task is exercise 2A. Listen to some people describing the disasters in the pictures. 1 till 4. Match the descriptions AD to the disasters 1 till 4. Суреттердегі апаттар туралы кейбір адамдардың суреттегенін тыңдаңыз және оны сәйкестендіріңіз. Listen.
A. I can see 5 soldiers. They are wearing army clothes. They are all wearing gloves and hats. 4 of them are looking through binoculars, and 1 person is writing on a piece of paper. There is a vehicle behind them. I think it is a tank. B. There are a number of people walking along a raised walkway which runs along a flooded street. The people are wearing boots and pulling small suitcases along, so I think they're evacuating from a flooded town. Along the side of the street, there are shops, but they are partly under the water. C. There is a rescue worker and a search and rescue dog. They are in a collapsed building. I can see broken concrete walls. The dog is looking into an area which has collapsed, and maybe it can smell a person trapped there. The man is wearing safety gear. He is wearing blue overalls and a hard hat with a light on it. D. There is a large train engine. It is black with a red front with the letters SP in white. It has come off the tracks, but it hasn't fallen over. There are 2 men by the side of the tracks in yellow jackets. I think they are discussing what to do.
The task is Match the descriptions AD to the disasters 1 till 4. Төрт сурет берілген. Осы төрт суреттерді сипаттамаларымен сәйкестендіріңіз. Okay? The next task is your home task. Келесі тапсырма сіздің үй жұмысыңыз. Exercise 2B, page 24. Choose a picture and describe it to your partner in as much detail as possible. Суреттердің біреуін таңдап, жолдасыңызға егжей-тегжейлі суреттеңіз, немесе дәптерге орындасаңыз болады. Okay, students, our lesson is over. I think today you have got a lot of information.